Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got a special treat for all you train enthusiasts and history buffs out there. We're taking you on a journey to discover the fascinating Kingston Flyer Train in beautiful New Zealand. But hold on to your hats, because we've got some unknown facts to share about this iconic piece of railway history. Let's get started. The Kingston Flyer was originally a passenger train operating on the South Island of New Zealand. The train was restored and brought back into service in 1971. The Kingston Flyer takes you on a scenic journey from Kingston to Fairlight, offering breathtaking views of Lake Wakatipu and the surrounding mountains. This train consists of vintage locomotives, adding to the charm and nostalgia of the ride. The Kingston Flyer uses a classic steam locomotive, which is a rare sight these days. Kingston was once a thriving gold mining town, and the Flyer played a crucial role in transporting gold and miners. The carriages are filled with historical artifacts that take you back in time. The Kingston Flyer is well known for its vibrant green and red color scheme. It appeared in the 1988 film, Indiana Jones and the Last Crusade. It has been lovingly preserved by dedicated enthusiasts and volunteers. The journey along Lake Wakatipu provides some of the most stunning waterfront views you'll ever see. The loud steam whistles can be heard from miles away, adding to the nostalgia. The track includes a steep incline, making it a challenging route to operate. The train was named after Sir Basil Arthur, an influential figure in New Zealand's history. The carriages are vintage, restored to their former glory. You'll cross historic suspension bridges along the way. You can have a delightful picnic by the lake during a stopover. The locomotives require extensive and meticulous maintenance. The Kingston Flyer was once a commuter service for workers in the area. The train's whistle code is unique to the Kingston Flyer. You can explore museums that highlight the history of the Kingston Flyer. Experience a 3D movie presentation about the train's history. Sunset tours offer a magical experience as you travel back in time. It was used to transport parcels and freight in addition to passengers. The local community has rallied around the Kingston Flyer to support its operation. The Kingston Flyer is a family-friendly experience, perfect for all ages. Educational tours are available for school groups to learn about history and rail transport. The train holds cultural significance for the local community. The Kingston Flyer has received awards for its historical preservation efforts. The engineering that went into building the rail line is remarkable. Timetable variations are available to cater to different schedules. You might spot local wildlife during your journey, from birds to fish in the lake. Special Christmas-themed rides are a highlight during the holiday season. Celebrities have taken rides on the Kingston Flyer, adding to its fame. You can see a collection of historical photos depicting the train's past. The Kingston Flyer has been an inspiration for artists and photographers. Rare historical documents are on display for visitors to explore. International tourists flock to experience the charm of the Kingston Flyer. You can purchase unique souvenirs, including miniature models of the Kingston Flyer. The Kingston Flyer occasionally hosts special steam events that attract enthusiasts from all over the world. At one point, the Kingston Flyer set a speed record on New Zealand's narrow-gauge rail system. The origin of the name, Flyer, has been a topic of debate among historians, adding an air of mystery to the train's history. The Kingston Flyer has been requested as a movie prop for various film productions. In the train journey, special nighttime excursions allow passengers to enjoy the train's beauty under the starry sky. There have been reports of ghostly sightings along the Kingston Flyer's route, adding to its mystique. The train operator has taken steps to make the operation more environmentally friendly. The Kingston Flyer hosts an annual steam gala, drawing steam enthusiasts from all corners of the globe. The Kingston Flyer once played a crucial role in opening up trade routes in the region. It is rumored that a British royal once enjoyed a ride on the Kingston Flyer during a visit to New Zealand. The Kingston Flyer features an articulated locomotive, a unique and rare design. The track has sections that go underwater as it follows the curves of Lake Wakatipu. The Kingston Flyer route offers hiking opportunities for those who want to explore the surrounding wilderness. Pioneering engineers who worked on the Kingston Flyer were considered heroes in their time. The train embodies the strong community spirit of the area, with locals volunteering to support its operation. The Kingston Flyer's locomotives are given unique names, each with its own history and significance. You can indulge in a high tea experience on select rides, complete with scones and fine china. In addition to steam locomotives, the Kingston Flyer occasionally uses diesel locomotives for specific purposes. Over the years, the train's route has undergone mysterious changes, intriguing historians. Original Kingston Flyer ticket prices were a fraction of today's fares, making it an affordable mode of transport. Tourist trains often offer various ticket types, such as standard adult tickets, child tickets, senior or concession tickets, and family tickets. The pricing may vary based on these categories. Ticket prices are typically based on factors like the class of service, standard class, premium class, the length of the journey, and any additional services. Passengers can usually make reservations in advance, either online, over the phone, or in person at the train station. Reservations are recommended, especially during peak tourist seasons. Tourist trains often have policies for refunds and cancellations, which can vary depending on the time of cancellation and other factors. Passengers should be aware of these policies when booking their tickets. The train was once graced by the presence of royalty during a royal visit to New Zealand. The Kingston Flyer hosts annual artisan markets, celebrating local crafts and products. Some carriages feature stunning custom-blown glass windows, showcasing intricate designs. Local legends suggest that treasure may be hidden along the Kingston Flyer's route, attracting treasure hunters. Kids can dress up in replica Kingston Flyer uniforms during their visit. On special occasions, you might catch a double-headed Kingston Flyer, with two locomotives pulling the train. The Kingston Flyer has VIP carriages for those seeking an extra touch of luxury. The Kingston Flyer often plays a prominent role in local festivals and events. The train's handbrake system is unique and differs from modern trains. The Kingston Flyer's steam whistle code includes special greetings for different locations along the route. Live musical performances are sometimes part of the Kingston Flyer experience. Themed rides, such as Roaring Twenties or Wild West, offer passengers a chance to step into different eras. The Kingston Flyer often hosts charity runs to support local causes. Special carriages are designated for educational purposes, enlightening visitors about railway history. The Kingston Flyer has a unique train horn that's a familiar sound in the area. The dining carriages are a time machine, offering passengers a taste of vintage railway dining. A replica time capsule commemorates a historical event related to the Kingston Flyer. Passengers are often treated to readings of poetry and prose as part of the journey. A locomotive graveyard preserves some of the older models, allowing visitors to get up close. The train journey takes you on a route that passes through the countryside, offering a glimpse of New Zealand's rural life and landscapes. The tracks wind through valleys and open spaces. The train route may feature historical bridges, tunnels, and other charming elements that add to the overall experience. Well, there you have it, captivating unknown facts about the Kingston Flyer Train in New Zealand. It's a testament to the enduring legacy of this iconic railway. If you found these facts are fascinating, please hit that like button, share the video, and subscribe to our channel for more incredible journeys like this. Thanks for joining us, and we'll catch you in the next adventure. Happy journey!